Now imagine a game where every character has their own story and doing anything to that NPC or that character can have real repercussions. What is up, guys? In my last video, we deep dive through this paper on generative agents, which is like a sandbox that has been created by a bunch of these guys in order to simulate human behavior. Went through this whole paper. Just a quick summary. It's a sandbox that was created by certain researchers. You can see their profiles here. Wonderful guys. In order to simulate 25 agents that can behave like a human. So when I say behave like a human, each of these agents has a backstory, is aware of some context about the other agent, and then in real time updates their knowledge about this other agent to kind of make reflections, observations about each of those 25 or 24 agents that are in this sandbox. Here's a quick preview on what the agents can do, right? So there's a morning routine, for example. There is a catch-up, packing, workday. Apparently, these maps also have different kind of things like co-living spaces, houses, colleges, college dorms, houses, etc. In this specific video, we're going to be looking at the demo of this. Is the first time I'll be seeing this, so bear in mind. In order to access the demo, you just have to go here. And then this is a pre-computed replay of simulation that accompanies behavior paper, which is what we just saw. Demonstration purpose only. Click one of the characters' spirits. Anywho, so it didn't really wait for me to click the character spirit. It just started. It's loading. Right, so while this load, here's an interesting thing about these generative agents, right? So in real life, if someone wouldn't invite you to party, would you check with them about why they didn't invite you to party? Apparently, generative agents do that. Someone's planned a Valentine Day party and a bunch of people were invited. This person was not invited, and then this person kind of reached out to the person who was organizing a party to invite them. So something very typical human behavior, right? Anyway, so this is the demo where you can see there are 3 houses, and then there is AB, RP, IR, GR, CG. So IR is apparently taking a shower. So you can see each of the character has a state. If you click on JM, JM is thinking about gardening. If you click on SM, SM is sitting somewhere on a park trying to think. Look at JM, another JM, she's thinking of a coffee. She is currently thinking to clean the house. Let's see, what time is it? So it's 7:01 in the morning, right? And all of this is happening. Some people have gotten up early. You can see ML is going for a toothbrush. It's going for a brush. Per the schedule, at 8 a.m. they should start their work day. You can also know more about the characters here. So Jane Moreno, which is apparently JM, doing house chores. There's a location and dusting the furniture. It's very detailed. Look at Aya. She's, I think, currently having breakfast at Hops Cafe, opening for the day. Cafe work. JM is thinking of painting, or is he painting? So it's going somewhere. See, this is like a Pokemon game we used to play back then. So apparently she's practicing painting. Okay, now she's conversing with Jennifer Moore and Tom Moreno to discuss the upcoming art exhibition. So what is great about this is that it knows it wants to, and apparently this is moving very fast, primarily because it's just a demo. You can see the time's moving really fast. She's back practicing painting, apparently having a conversation with TM. Anyways, you look at LW, what's her name? Latoya Williams, right? So she's currently doing yoga. Yeah, taking a yoga class. She's in the co-living space. IR is currently, I think, Hobbs Cafe, cleaning up the cafe. Wow, that's very detailed. Look at AB, Arthur, Sam Moore, and you can see the character is having a conversation with a different character about a third character, and all of this context is retained. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much about how the platform looks. If you're interested, go to this link and monitor how the behavior is. But for me, I can do this all day. It's like watching a real movie. This is actually how Pokemon used to look, at least in the Game Boy back then. But remember the kind of potential this holds for games like RDR and GTA, where characters currently have a script, and doing something to those characters has very little repercussions of any sort, right? Now imagine a game where every character has their own story, and doing anything to that NPC or that character can have real repercussions. I think this is what this is. It's not going to just change the game for games, but a lot of other applications will now open up. Really excited to see where this goes. I'm going to very closely follow this. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel and we'll keep in touch for this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.